rush. Dean Hugginson tries exactly what he did this morning around the outside of the pole here to Bottas with Shandy, but this time it does not work. The Saudi Car P1, no problem for Dean the Dutchman. What a move around the outside. Sensational for Dean the Dutchman. But he's back into second place because Schaufler takes the both of them. He comes the orange Austrian. Schaufler 301 for DTK Racing. Takes the lead in the opening lap of qualifying heat 8 versus C for OK Junior. Fantastic start from both Schaufler and Dean Hugginson. Sawyer in P3, Bottas with 24. Thomas Pradier, Kamyab, Zulfikari, Chatier, Kwartidan, and Matt van Rooyen van the Netherlands in P10. Sawyer on the back of Huggendoorn, Sawyer on the inside of Dean to the AKM Motorsport team. The Cub Republic slides sideways, just slightly down the hill. Bottas in P4, Thomas in P5. We go to Kamyab, Zulfikari, the Brit from the turn. Alexander Zulfikari ahead of Alexander Xavier. Kwartidan, Matt van Rooyen, Sanchez, Anthony Otto, Jared Clark, JC in 13. Clark just ahead of Thomas Sander. Better start from Sakala. Sakai, Bruno Gosner, Rivals, Korda, Rasmussen, Florentine, Levi Arne, Shanna, Sabirov, and Jared Zeng. Marcel Zebo is out. Schaufler with the lead of 14th of a second. There's Alexander Xavier, the 338 Carolina Canadian. Powered by the TM. As we have two come together in the chicane. The 3000 Rasmussen. The track is blocked. Down to the chicane. Oliver Rasmussen desperate to try and restart. I'd say he's got no chance. Oliver Rasmussen is out. As is Matteo Rivals for the Saudi Cup Racing Team. 3-4-4. Matteo and Oliver, the Danish champion, is out. The yellow flag is put away with state green. Schaufler, Sawyer, Huggendoorn. Bottas with Jenny has now just been passed by Thomas. Right here for the victory lane team of Nico Martin. Kamyab, Xavier, and Zulfikari. Alexander goes by to Sergio Sander, the 6-time WSK champion. He's on the back of Roman Kamyab. Alexander with good horsepower. The quick hand machine. Alexander on the back of Roman. Pushes the Brit off the road almost. And the Canadian takes the English driver. Aggressive, superb pass from Alexander Xavier. Just behind Matt van Rooyen. Makes the move, nicely done on Iskander Zulfikari. He's now under attack from the English Australian Jared Clark. JC in 3-3-1. Fires it down the inside. And the Aussie goes on through. Followed by his teammate Thomas Sander. Sakai, Sunkick, Sakala, Bruno Gosner, Korda. Schaufler with the race leader, Thomas Pradier. P3 with the 47.65. Thomas. The fastest driver on the circuit, even faster than Nicholas Schaufler, who's now starting to be caught by Sawyer. So Clark now up into P10. Thomas just behind the Gender Racing family in Hungary, the east of Europe. Another fast lap for Thomas Pradier. 47.103 tenths of a second faster than Kaufler. Thomas for the victory lane team. He's catching both Kostoya and Nicholas Kaufler. Hugen on P5. Then it's Xavier from Kanyab. Korar Tirana, Maxman Royan now moving to P9. Head of Jared Clark, Sakai. Genda, Sanchez, Dulcicari. Konda, Sakala, Bruno Goxner. Halfway distance, and we've got a new leader, folks. He's going to be Kostoya from Spain in the Paralympics. Thomas Pradia on the back of the Austrian and the Spaniard. Thomas Pradia, 3 times runner-up in the French Championship. 3 years ago, he was the French mini-champion, and he's closing in on the back of Chalper and Kostoya. A superb performance for the French driver, for the French team victory lane in the WSK Champions Cup. Looks over his shoulder. Racing in Bahrain in the Road Tax World Finals last year, Thomas Pradia now trying to take victory in the Champions Cup. Thomas on the back of Nicholas. Kostoya in P1. This is the pit hairpin on lap 10 of 14. Bottas we send in the pole sitter, remember him. He's back into the fight as well, and do not discount Team the Dutchman. The front trio is now a 5-car fight. Down into the chicane, qualifying heat A versus B. You're at the center of the karting universe. South Garda Karting Lonato. Daniel down inside Thomas. On the outside of Kostoya, Boris bounces back, and the pole sitter between the Dutchman goes by and takes P2. Schaufler with the race lead from Dean Hugendorf now on lap 11 of 14. Penultimate lap of the race. Schaufler has got the lead from Hugendorf. The TTK Racing and AKM Motorsport entry has Bottas with Denny. and Thomas Pradier come together on the last corner of the penultimate lap. So Thomas back to 10, Boris back to 8. Schaufler, Hugendorf, Costa in quite hard to get under from Indonesia. Roman Tamyaba in P5 and then the battle races on Schaufler. Good drive. Much fun. Royan with Denny and Jared Clark. Tracy ahead of Thomas. Max Van Royen on the back of the Canadian. He's a Dutchman. This is the last lap for Schaufler. Royen up to 4. Max Van Royen 7 from Bottas with Denny. Jared Clark. Grabier, Sakai, Thomas. Santic, Honda, and Ducati. Around the outside, Max Van Royen. Young Nicky Banan. Super move for the young Dutchman. Sophie, you've got to be happy with that. Give your boyfriend credit. MPR goes on through around the outside and takes the 2 Paralympic drivers. Superb for Max Van Royen, but out front, a checkered flag will wave for the orange Austrian. Schaufler wins from Hugendorf. In Cosway, Roman Kamyama. Max Van Royen in P5.